Here I have HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this button here in the corner, tap on this code scanner. Now let's take for example this QR code and scan it. And as you can see, this website is being encoded to this QR code. We can visit it, for example, copy link or just open it in browser. But unfortunately I don't have internet connection right now, so we can't see this page, but you can see its address, so go check for yourself. I guess you will find something interesting and useful there. Maybe not. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.